Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Typhur Sync Air Fryer. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are considering the Typhur Sync Air Fryer. And so I'm going to be going over a few things that I noticed and what I like and don't like about this air fryer. Keep in mind that this video isn't sponsored by Typhur. I just decided to try this air fryer myself, just simply because I needed one. Now, the Typhur Sync Air Fryer, it's a tall air fryer and it's a deep air fryer. So you could actually put in, I believe, like a whole chicken in here weighing up to 6 pounds. And cook it thoroughly inside of here. Now, because it's tall, it does come at a cost, whereas other air fryers might be wide. This one here is tall enough to actually fit thick foods. Now, the basket is ceramic non-stick, so you can easily throw this into the dishwasher, both the basket and the grill plate that you see right over there, and then go ahead and wash it and then return it. Now, I've had to make fries, I've had to make chicken nuggets. Unfortunately, a 12-inch pizza didn't fit inside the Typhur Sync Air Fryer, but an 8.5 pizza probably would fit inside here. I've made chicken wings. That turned out phenomenal inside this air fryer. But just keep note that you're not going to be able to cook you may have to actually shake the food when it comes to actually using this air fryer. Although I haven't had to shake it yet. Just make sure that if you place, for example, fries in here, that you don't have so many fries overlapping and stacking up on one another. Now, with the Typhur Sync Air Fryer, one of the main features is this wireless thermometer that's included with it. So with this wireless thermometer, you can insert the probe into some sort of protein, and you can basically set the doneness. So if let's say you have beef and you want it to be medium, let's say you want it to be medium well, let's say you want it to be well done. There's different presets as far as if you insert a protein inside of the Typhur Sync Air Fryer and you insert the heating probe as well, you can set the desired doneness and it's going to cook it until it reaches that doneness. So that's the main feature of this air fryer. Of course, it can do, I'd say, like the regular things that air fryers can. So there's different modes, presets. So you have air fry, roast, bake. Let's exit out of here. You have dehydrate, reheat, preheat, bake, roast, air fry. You can adjust the temperature, you can adjust the timer, and then you can start it. Now, with this air fryer, it is pretty bulky. Okay, you can see how tall it is compared to my rice cooker, for example, over there. There is an app integration support, meaning that you can actually connect this to your app, and then you can see how much time is left on your phone. Now, you could also change the presets and customize the presets on the app as well. And with the wireless thermometer, if you do cook a lot of proteins, I'd say this is going to be really, really useful. You no longer need to guess whether your steak is cooked, or you no longer need to guess whether your chicken is cooked. It's all just temperature controlled. So as long as you use the probe and insert it inside your protein, and then go ahead and set your desired doneness for whichever protein. So you have beef, chicken, pork, and fish. It's going to cook it to that temperature, and it should be cooked based on that temperature. So I'd say this is mainly for people who cook a lot of proteins within their air fryer, and the probe is just amazing. Like, it's really useful. And with it, it still does the common functionalities of a typical air fryer, like, just a regular air fry, and it is deep enough to hold a lot of food as well. But overall, I'd say my first week impression with the Typhur Sync Air Fryer has been great. It's pretty tall, like I mentioned. So do make sure that you measure it on your counter space, just because on one side of our counter, this is going to basically occupy all that space. The app integration is great. It tells me on my phone when the protein or what I'm cooking is actually done. So I do appreciate the app integration compared to my old air fryer, which wasn't a smart air fryer. But overall, I'd say perfect for people who are going to use the probe. But if you don't plan on using the wireless thermometer, I'd say probably consider something else. But yeah, overall, I've had no problems with it whatsoever.